Hello everyone, this is Khaled and welcome to a new video. Today I want to share with you the custom mod that I made for the Easy Host. This is based on that project. I just made some modification to make it work as an auto jailbreak. So once you open the ASP package from your PlayStation 5, it should load the jailbreak automatically without having to press a button and wait and then like you select the payload itself. I made some modification on it. So basically it works on the ESP board. So you need something like that. This should be the ESP32S3. So it need to have a 16 megabyte because as you can see now, we have a lot of payloads, like elves and all that stuff. It's like getting increasing in size. We have now the 80 hen reaching almost 2.5 megabytes. So using the older 8266, it will not be sufficient for that. So yeah, you need to get one of these. Once you get the board, you can go here. I will leave the link on the description. You can download that. So what's new on that release that I made? I made the option that you can either upload the autohen.elf or autorun.elf or auto run.ben. So depending, because we have the 80 handles in a ben format, we have the elf on the we have the case stuff on elf format. So you can either upload one of these on the file upload manager of the host itself, and it will be run once the jailbreak is done. So and this release, it's using the newest case stuff is 1.6.1, but you can change that from the admin page as you wish. So once you connect, you can go here on the 10.1.1.1/admin, and you can see here all the payloads. You will notice here that there is an auto elf, which is basically this is the case stuff. I put it as a default now, so you can have case stuff uploaded. But if you don't want that and you want, for example, to run the 80 hen, you can just delete that and then rename or get the 80 hen also deleted, and you can upload autorun.ben. And it will load the 80 hen instead of the case stuff, which is the one here. So either put either the elf or the ben. It will prioritize the elf at the beginning. So if you uploaded even elf and ben autorun.elf and autorun.ben, it will only fetch the autorun.elf because the elf is prioritized here. So let's switch on the PS5. I will show you what's the new update doing here. So we have here our PlayStation 5. So you need to have the ESP host. There is no caching, so that thing doesn't work on a caching thing. Also doesn't work on the user guide, so you need to have the ESP host package installed. Either you get that one on the games, or you can get also the one on the media, depending on your preference. So you need to do the connection. Once you've done the connection to the the Easy host, you just run the host itself. So run it. You can see here down, you can see that the show console log. If I press L1, it will show the console log, but by default it's hidden. I didn't press any button, and now you can see that it's already jailbroken, and now it's loading the case stuff, and you can see with nothing I loaded everything correctly. Also, I've done some modification to the UMTX2 jailbreak, which bring us to have multiple payloads. I removed the old description, but once you hover on each payload itself, you can see that it will show the description of the payload on the top right corner. So now you have much payloads without the need to scroll up and down. So yeah, that's basically it. You can now just like exit using the PS button, press the circle, and then you can launch any game. So the game is launching fine because it's loaded already the case stuff. If you switch back again, let's switch back and go back to the ESP host. For example, if you want to run the FTP, or you want to run other payload, so you can launch that automatically. It will show that the jailbreak is already done. You just like press OK, and it will load normally the payload selection, so you can just press or like open whatever you want. So if you want to run the FTP server, you can send that, and you can see here now we have an FTP server. So yeah, basically this is basically it. This is an auto jailbreak plus auto run. So you can use that on the ESP32 S3 board with a 16 megabyte of storage, and you have the ability to change the auto run as you wish. So you can either choose the elf ones or the ben ones. As long as it's named autorun.elf or ben, it will load once the jailbreak is done. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.